Okay, we're back. And we have the motherboard right here. It's just getting ready to be put the parts inside. And so first things first is that we have to discharge ourselves from all electricity or all like what we have inside, because if we don't, we might risk the chance of actually getting shocked and ruining the product, because that's the main problem, because it won't hurt you as much as it will hurt your product. And so I have my old tower here that I'm going to use. You can touch the off, like the metal, exposed metal, so I'm going to do that right now. With both hands, you just touch it for like a few seconds, and then you can get back to what you're doing. Now, I would suggest getting a wristband, static wristband, anti-shock wristband, but I don't have one at the moment, so I'll just be using that. So I'm gonna first open up my CPU, which I haven't done yet, and do that again. I'm just gonna open it up, and again, I know I'm just like very like not sure about this, so I'm just gonna keep touching it repeatedly. My old desktop, the exposed metal, so that I can get as much electricity out of me. And then, so first thing I'm going to do is open this up. You don't want to put too much pressure, because you might damage the motherboard a lot. So, as it's hard to see here, but I'm going to maybe move it closer. Let me move it more this way, hold on. So, as you can sort of see, let me zoom in, maybe be better. Well, actually, maybe not. So, right here is where the CPU is going to go. And when you grab your CPU, which I'm going to do right now, and this is what it'll look like. It's sort of hard to see, I'm sorry. There we go. So you're going to grab this. You have to match everything perfectly to what it shows. So I'm just going to have a good look at this. Make sure everything is fine, because I don't want to mess this up already. Let me see. I'm sorry guys, I just really want to make sure everything is fine. Okay. So it should go like this, I think. Am I right? Because you do not want to damage. There we go. You do not want to damage any of the pins. You don't want to bend anything. I think I didn't bend. It didn't sound like I did. So I will just close it like so. And wait, hold on. Do I just wait? Sorry, just trying to figure out. Do I just? Okay, so I realized I was supposed to remove this. I don't know why I didn't think of that sooner. So I have it installed, and now I just have to remove this. There we go. Okay, so that's removed. And then this should be going down. Hold on. So I have to put a little bit of pressure on this, because according to like what I saw in the video, they put a little bit of pressure on. I didn't want to do it because I was kind of nervous that I would break it. So let me try now. Okay, there we go. So that's installed. I was just, like I said, very nervous that it would break. So now we're just going to install the CPU into this. Okay, so we grab our CPU, which is right here. We'll just let this loose. Hold on, let me just break this away, because these cables have to get connected to Well, I'll show you in a minute where the output is, but sorry, I just got a better grip. Just want to remove this, like these little cables here that I don't know if you can sort of see. I have to remove them. And so first you want to install this first. So what you would do is go here, place it right under the holes. You want to make sure all of it's in, so you see it gets in a little bit, and put a little pressure, and then it should like click. Okay, I think it's locking in. There we go. I hear the little click. Try to get these. I don't want to risk any breaking. Is this clicked? I don't know if this is clicked or not. I really don't want to. Okay, I think it's in. Because I think it won't go any more than that, because if not, I'll break it. So now all you want to do is install this to right over here in the side next to it. I know it's hard to see, but I don't really want to move the camera. I have to just install this, so I think it goes here. Oh, wait. Oh, it goes like this, I see. Yes, it should work like this. There we go. So it seems like the CPU cooler is tightly locked because I can't really push it anymore without breaking it. And now we're gonna go open up the RAM and we're gonna try to install this. So I'll be back 1 second. Okay, so I have my I can't even think right now. My RAM ready, and I'm going to just touch my old desktop one more time, just so I can continue less gain chances of any stack shock. So let me just remove here. Okay, now if you can see in here, there's like little gap right here, so you know exactly where to put it. And in my case, I have to unlock here, which will let me at least install it, because there's going to be 2 clips that you click in. And then you try to push it in exactly where it should go. Then once you realize it's perfect, you just slip it in there. Make sure it's all the way down. Like, I think that's enough. So I just click it. Hold on. I think it should make a little noise or something. Or if not, double check. Push it in a little bit. Make sure it's all the way. And then just... It should click. Why isn't it clicking? Or does it click? That clicks, but I mean... It's tightly in place, but it just doesn't click. That's weird. Is it all the way in? It looks like it's in, but I don't know. Oh, wait. Let's try the other one, because I don't know why that one's not. It doesn't feel like it's going in all the way. So you just unlock here. You repeat. Make sure it's in the same place. Then you just slide it in all the way. And then you... Okay. I heard like a little noise. Okay. So make sure it's securely in. all the way. And so now we are going to install my graphics card. So I'm going to open that and then show you guys about installing that. Okay, so I have my video card right here. Can't even talk. I'm sorry, guys. Right here. And I'm going to install it right now. So I just want to make sure everything is in the right spot. Don't obviously want to damage it. And I'm pretty sure that this side has to be out. So it should go in like this. So, oh wait, do you have to move anything? No. Okay, so you just get it in and you give it a little push. Not all of it's like perfectly in. Like only part of it was in. Like some of it's getting in, but not all of it. Hold on. Like the front part especially is not getting in. Okay, so I forgot that this point here is supposed to go off the box. That's why every time I kept pushing in, I kept pressing into the box. So now that that's connected, I'm going to now finish putting all the cables that was given to me, which are here. And then I have to open up the battery, which is right over here. I have to open that up. And then I have to connect it to the TV. So since I'm not really familiar and I want to get this done as soon as possible, I'm going to stop the recording and then start up again once everything is installed to the part where I'm going to try to do a test boot for this motherboard, and hopefully if it works then I can continue the process and start putting it into the box, which is over there. I'm sorry, I realized I was out of the camera. So let me just install everything first and we'll be back in a minute. See you guys. Okay guys, so I'm about to do a test boot for this motherboard as it is at the moment, and some things I want to point out is that I connected like 3 cables to from the battery to the motherboard, and well, actually 2 to the motherboard. One was a PCE for the video card, and I'm about to try right now to test it. Now I don't remember where I put the speakers, so I don't really need the speakers exactly, but because that's why I have this TV screen, which isn't going to be my monitor when I finish this. It's just going to be a temporary TV that I have that I will use. Well, this isn't the one I use for my room, but this is I'm going to use for temporary. So what I'm going to do first is with this flathead right here. There's like a little part like around, I don't know if you can see, like right over here, that says power. I'm going to turn on the battery, which I didn't do previously. Hold on. Okay, so I turn that on, and then I have to touch here where it says power, and then it should be working. Oh, why is it not like powering up? Oh, there we go. I don't know what happened. There we go. Something I used this instead. I guess I don't know. I touched both of them at the same time, and now they're both working. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. Hey, we got it. So as you can see, okay. Okay. CPU fan error. Press 1 to run setup. I don't know, the CPU fan's working fine. I can't really do much from here. Other than that, everything seems to be working fine, because it recognizes everything. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just I guess I'll turn this off. Okay. So yeah, guys, so that's the boot up test. Oh, okay. For some reason, when I did it again, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I did it again, guys, and now it says it's not working. I guess I was supposed to hold on to it. The CPU and fan is working. I don't know why I said previously it wasn't, but I guess I'll turn it off. And yeah, so we'll have to now install to the computer, and I'll unplug everything and put it back to where it was. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.